Hi everyone, hope everyone is doing fine today. Here is Abdul and today we have another unboxing, and this time we have a very fun watch that I also bought on a late night Amazon browsing, let's say, and I didn't want to buy any watch, and then I saw this one, reminded me of my childhood a little bit, so it was a bit nostalgic. I looked online for the prices were quite higher than the price from Amazon, so I thought even if I got this Peanuts Timex, I would be able to just sell it and get my money back at least. So I thought, why not get this very fun watch with this Peanuts character playing baseball, even though I don't like baseball. I don't watch baseball. It's not like I don't like it. You have to really see a sport to like it or not like it. I didn't watch baseball at all. Never lived in the US or Japan, where baseball is big. Anyways, I digress. So we're unboxing this Timex Peanuts, so I have to open it. So I'll get the scissors. And if you do like this kind of uninterrupted, unedited content, especially watch content, be sure to leave a like and also subscribe to the channel. It does help the channel a lot, your subscription, because it shows that the algorithm that I'm doing better. And if you're not subscribed, please let me know why in the comment section. Maybe I should do better, I should do more. So please let me know. Your suggestions are always welcome. So you get this really, let's say, simple carton box for the watch, or you can afterwards store it if you don't have a watch box, like most of us watch addicts. Yeah, so what do you get with this watch? So you get a nylon red strap to match the red cap. You get a unsigned buckle, and you get a Timex Quartz watch. So let me move the hands. As you can see here, you can move the hands. Let's see if the 1010 or 1010 also would look good here. It will eat it by his face. So maybe 9. Yeah, that's better. So you get a really nice size. So you get the caliper, you get a 38 millimeters. This is a 2017 watch, so you get 38 millimeters in diameter. A nice lug to lug of 44, so quite wide on the wrist. You have a thickness of 9 millimeter, so also has nice thickness, and 20 millimeter lug width, as you can see. You get a quartz movement. The reference number of this watch is TW2R41400. You have a mineral glass, and it weighs on this strap 40 grams, 46 grams to be exact, and has a 3-bar water resistant. And on the back, on the case back, you can see here Timex with the whole Peanuts family. I think the duck was Snoopy, if I remember correctly. Correct me in the comment section, please. It's been a long while, and it does look really nice, I have to say. The case back and the whole watch, the whole package. It's a fun watch. I got it for around like 60 euros, something like this. So it was an offer online, and here you can see it on my 17 centimeter wrist. I think that's a fun watch. I think that's a watch that says you don't take collecting seriously, or at least you take it seriously, but you have also a fun side, let's say, because you don't see people wearing these watches except if they are Peanuts fans, or really having fun with their watches, like most of us do. Yeah, this is basically the unboxing for this Timex Peanuts edition with the baseball and the baseball bat, let's say. So both of them, red hat with the red strap. So for this one, I will do a put it on a red strap and wear it for a couple of weeks and maybe decide if I'll keep it or return it, but most probably I'll keep it because it's just a fun watch, and at the same time it doesn't hurt the wallet so much. Yeah, so let me know in the comment section if you have any questions about this watch that I will cover in the review. And as always, the subscription button is here. Please do subscribe if you're not subscribed already. It helps the channel a lot, and you'll find videos on the right and on the left that you might enjoy as well. See you in the next one. Bye bye everybody.